Oh, geez Louise. Hey everyone, it's your girl Melanie, and I'm about to turn 47. And I'm especially not loving my aging skin. So I am always a sucker for the newest product on the market, and I've been bombarded with ads for this thing called Dermawand. You guys, look at homegirl on the box. Her skin is all sagging and wrinkling on one side, and on the other side she looks like she had a freaking facelift. If it works this good on her, it's gotta work on someone like me, right? I paid for this product with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, so we're gonna see if the Dermawand really works. Here we go. Here is the wand, and it comes with a real electric cord. Thank you for that. I'm so sick of these new products with only USB cords on them. Also inside the box is this guide, a bottle of pre-face treatment, and a little pink storage bag. On the back is a dial. It goes from levels 1 to 9. In the front is a cap, which I'll try to remove. Oh my God. Are you serious right now? Holy shit. Okay, so I got the cap off. This is the tip. There's like a plastic shell on it. Let's look at it up close. Reddish lights inside. By the way, Dermawand, I cannot get this freaking wrapper off this bottle. What the hell, dude? I've spent like 30 minutes trying to get this stupid wrapper off this bottle. I've used scissors. What is this? Is this plastic like glued on here? What the hell is going on? When you use Dermawand, the experience will surround you. You will feel a tingling sensation that will increase as you turn up the toning dial. You will hear a low humming sound like a white noise. Smell. The process elicits enriched oxygen, producing a fresh, natural, after rain smell. As long as it's not the smell of burning, rotting flesh, I guess we're okay. We're going to try this product. I'm so excited! All right, you guys, so I've actually taken my hair down because I want you to see just how droopy my face is, because when your hair is up, it pulls all your skin back. I have no eyelids anymore. My eyes are completely hooded. I have forehead wrinkles, and I have lots of lip lines. I have gels, marionette lines, and I'm starting to get rings around my neck. But I do need to put my hair off my face, so I'm just gonna use these little Velcro strips that really won't tug my hair too much. So, all right, you guys, so I have plugged the device in. It's currently at level 1 right now. Oh, I feel a little shock right there. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my hand and see what it feels like. It feels kind of like static electricity. It's a little bit freaky. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared right now. But I've stuck needles in my face for you guys, so how bad can this really be, right? So it says there's a couple of different treatments. One is the 3-minute sweep, in which you're gonna go over your entire face. And then after the sweep, you can work on targeting certain areas. The first thing to do is put your favorite moisturizer on your face and neck. They gave me this pre-treatment bottle, and I'm gonna just use that. A little bit on my hand, kind of like a clear orange. It has a really light scent. It's not very strong. So let's put this on the face. Always work at the lowest setting for the first few days until you get used to it. Here we go. I'm gonna start at my forehead, I guess. Okay. So I don't really feel that. It's not bad. The sound is just, it's a little bit freaky. And let me tell you, that moisturizer that they gave with it, is already dry, so it's not gliding on my skin very smoothly right now. All right, so this is at level 1. I barely feel it. Like I said, it just feels a little static. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up to level 3. All right, it's not bad. I really want to see if it provides this crazy lift like it does on this chick in the picture. So I'm gonna start to get to some of the intense areas and we're gonna see if it makes a difference. My biggest issues is my crow's feet on my eyes and my hooded eyes. It recommends to start with your favorite eye cream. This is mine, Olay Eye Cream Retinol 24 Max, and I'm gonna apply it. And for your eyes, it recommends to always use level 1s. Oh God, I'm scared. I'm going up and stop. Up. Holding it for a few seconds, up, holding it for a few seconds. I hate that sound. It makes me feel like I have tinnitus. The video I saw showed that you're supposed to put it in one spot and jiggle it, so I'm gonna do that now. Well, it definitely made my eye cream get all like flaky. Let's try the other side though. I'm gonna try to lift my eyebrows and see if that makes a difference. So I think for this one, I'm gonna turn the wand up to 4. It says apply a hydrating moisturizer, then go from the inner edge of the eyebrow and slowly glide the wand up to the hairline. And then from the outer edge of the eyebrow to the hairline. Repeat this exercise 5 to 6 times on each eye. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to leave my eyebrows on so you could see if it actually made a difference. Look at this side by side. I really think it's starting to lift my eyebrows a little bit. Am I going crazy? Now let's move on to these beautiful lip lines. And it says you can just apply this to your lips like you would lipstick. Oh, geez Louise. It says that if you will only feel the wand when it touches your skin. The hell it does. I am not touching my skin. Ah! And yeah, I definitely feel the zaps. So I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. All right, that was scary. Oh God, I feel that static. Go a little bit lower. This is really freaky. Oh, I don't like this. Once it's on the skin, it's not bad. But when it's like not touching your skin and it gives you little zaps, that is not pleasant. I'm noticing that smell they're talking about. And if I had to describe it, yeah, you know what? It does kind of smell like rain. Or maybe that's just the smell of electricity. So my initial impression is you will feel a tingle when you touch this item to your skin. I was a little bit tentative to use it today. I was a little bit scared. I definitely felt something right around here, kind of freaked me out a little bit. And I'm gonna practice a little bit more with this product, maybe get a little more comfortable with the settings and the techniques, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts on what I feel worked and what didn't work. So did you notice any results from the Dermawand? What's the craziest product you've ever used on your skin? Leave me a comment and let me know. And if you're interested in trying this product, I will leave a link in the description below. If you'd like to see more product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching.